Hello friends, this video on organisms and population part 14 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now, based on how different animals control their body temperature, they are classified into two types. They are homeotherms, those animals that have a constant body temperature. They are called homeotherms. And they fall under the regulators category. Obviously, regulators are the one which can control their internal temperature, internal environment. So, homeotherms fall under the category of regulators. So, homeotherms, homeo means same, therm means temperature. So, they have same body temperature, constant temperature. So, that's why homeotherms. And the other category is poikilotherms. So, the term poikilo, it means varied, or varying or changing, and therms again refers to heat or temperature. So these animals, their body temperature keeps varying, they keep changing with the changes in the external environment. So these are called poikilotherms. So poikilotherms would fall under the category of regulators or conformers. Obviously, they fall under the conformers category. So, they do not have that mechanism. So, basically, regulator and conformers, they are broader terms. So, they not only talk about maintaining only the internal body temperature, they also talk about internal body conditions, whether it is temperature or it is water content. So, the entire internal environment. So, regulator and conformer is a broader term. And within regulators, we can have homeotherms, which are animals which have a constant body temperature. Now, similarly, the animals are again classified into two types based on how they get heat. So, from where do they get heat? So, based on that, the animals are of two types, endotherms and ectotherms. Endo means inside or within. So, these organisms obtain heat from within their body. So they themselves generate heat. So a lot of metabolic reactions take place within their body which produce heat, and that's how they get heat. They get warmth for their body. So this will again fall under the category of regulators because they undergo the metabolic reactions within their body. So they are spending energy for the metabolic activities. So they are regulators. Whereas the other animal types are called ectotherms. So ecto would mean outside. So these animals obtain heat from outside, that is from the external environment. So they fall under the conformers category. So most of the birds and mammals fall under endotherms, whereas fishes, amphibians and reptiles, they fall under the category of ectotherms. So please understand the difference between these endotherms, ectotherms and homeotherms and poikilotherms. So when we talk about homeotherms and poikilotherms, it is about maintenance of internal body temperature. But when we are talking about endo or ectotherms, it is about from where do they get heat, because every organism needs heat. Only then their body will have if the body turns completely cold, the organism will not be alive anymore. So from where do they get heat? So depending upon their source of heat, they are categorized as endotherms and ectotherms. Now, it is very obvious that endotherms will fall under the category of regulators, because regulators are the one which undergo a lot of metabolic activities within their body, because of which heat gets generated. But that is not the case for conformers, and therefore ectotherms fall under the conformers category. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.